First thing we do when a machine arrives is to ensure the safety of our team, the operation of the machine, and anybody that's going to be operating the machine. We want to make sure everything's in a safe environment. JLG process prior to the actual rebuilding and starting the machine is we do a cost evaluation of the machine. We do a review of the product to see if there's any additional work effort that may be outside of our scope. If that would happen to be the case, we would notify the customer prior to starting that machine. Then we create a bill of material, which is going to generate the ordering of parts to be able to accommodate the rebuilding of the machine. First thing that takes place when we recondition the machine will be our teardown process. Our teardown process would consist of starting to remove the hoods, which are disposed of and replaced with new equipment later. We start then remove the booms and the engines for rebuild process along with rebuilding. Then we will continue to break down the machine to the frame, removing all the valves. All hydraulic hoses are removed and replaced with new on the assembly process. The boom is then disassembled, removed all the wear pads, all the chains, links, wear pads, shims, ropes, and cables would all be disposed of and replaced with new in the assembly process. It takes approximately 3 days from the start of the machine coming in to have the machine ready to go through the paint process. After the machine is tore down, we take the disassembled boom, we run it through an inspection process to where we really take a good look at the detail of the boom, all welds on the boom, any twist or scope or sweep of the boom. Then we begin to tear down, wash and clean the boom, continuing to inspect for detail of that boom as we disassemble. Remove the cylinders for rebuild or replacement if required. Then we replace all hoses, throw those away, shims, pads, ropes, all get disassembled and threw away, recycled if possible, and then we would send that on through to the paint process.